Want to watch Formula One races, onboard cameras, and live timing data? Then you've probably heard of F1 TV, but there are multiple subscription plans, so which one should you choose? The cheapest option is F1 TV Access. It gives you race replays, highlights, and live timing data, but you can't watch races live. Prices typically start at around $3 to $4 per month or about $30 a year, depending on your region. Some of its pros. It is the cheapest plan. It includes race archives and highlights, but no live races. Next is F1 TV Pro, which is the most popular plan. It lets you watch every race, qualifying, and practice session live, plus access to onboard driver cameras, team radio, and advanced telemetry data. Pricing is usually around $10 to $11 per month, or roughly $85 per year, depending on location. Some of its pros: full live race coverage, multiple camera angles and data, but it's not available in some regions. The newest tier is the F1 TV Premium. It adds 4K HDR streaming, multi-view screens, and the ability to watch on up to 6 devices at once. The plan is designed for hardcore fans who want the most immersive viewing experience. So which one should you choose? If you're a casual fan, the F1 TV Access is enough. Want to watch races live? The F1 TV Pro is the best value. Want the ultimate experience? The F1 TV Premium is the top tier. The bottom line, most fans choose the F1 TV Pro as it gives you full live coverage without paying for premium extras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.